I'm Zora from AEON LASER. Today we are going to introduce our MIRA7 laser engraving cutting system. MIRA7 is one of our best sellers in Europe and in North America. It provides abundant functions for those customers engaged in advertising, home DIY, workshop, and education. Our MIRA7 has a workspace of 700 mm length and 450 mm width, and it also provides a 150 mm up and down movement range, which enables customers to process thicker materials. On both sides, we have two bright LED lights illuminating the workspace, and that makes every lasering detail easily seen. And here we go to the laser head and the guide rail system. AEON designs a really different laser head from other Chinese lasers. It is smaller, lighter, and plays a significant role in high-speed working. Inside this special laser head, we have this mirror number 3 of diameter 20 millimeters and a zinc solenoid lens with a diameter of 18 millimeters. And we also offer a basic autofocus system for MIRA7. For the guide rail part, AEON uses a fully packed Taiwanese hiwin guide rail, and with the protection of our unique CleanPack technology, the general guide rail maintenance issues caused by dust, smoke, and other debris reduces at least 80%. And this guide rail is driven by two customized high-speed step motors. As a result, MIRA7 could deliver an engraving speed up to 1.2 meters per second with 5G accelerations. You can never find this speed acceleration from other Chinese lasers. Now we go to the platform. MIRA7 has two typical work tables for different laser processing requirements. On the top, it is a honeycomb table. After we remove this table, there's an aluminum blade table below. And customers could fit long materials into the workspace by opening up the front panel. Beneath the work tables, AEON also provides a bottom ventilation system, so customers could connect the laser with an air filter system through this ventilator so as to improve your space utilization ratio. Okay, now let's get to the controller keyboard. MIRA7 has a simplified reader controller with which MIRA7 is perfectly compatible with Lightburn software. As a partner of Lightburn software, AEON also offers the Lightburn licenses at a reasonable price. On the back of MIRA7, you cannot see else connections except for the exhauster. And the chiller unit is here. You could read the status of water level and water temperature. Also, through this temperature controller, customers can do some basic settings through pushing these two buttons. The 85 watt air pump and 240 watt blower are also concealed inside the panel board. The engineering looks really tidy, and customers could use such laser in the tightest room. Now comes to the laser tube part. This laser uses a 60 watts CO2 glass tube. Customers could also use 40 watts, 80 watts, and a RESI 75 watts tube into this box. 30 watts RF metal tube option is also available in MIRA7. At the beam output place, we've got a beam combined red dot pointer. It is obviously more practical than those typical red dot pointers installed on laser nozzle. Our MIRA7 laser is built according to Class 1 laser standard. First, the machine cover is made of quality tempered glasses, which is both fireproof and scratch-proof. And the laser is also fully housed in an impervious manner. For the panel boards, we apply an interlocking design that to prevent laser shock caused by unauthorized operations. Whenever customers are looking for a quality laser at an affordable price, AEON is worth being named in choice list.